What is up my friends, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, hi, hello, my name is Babita and I'm sharing some summer hairstyles in today's video because spring time has come where we want to keep our hair off of our face, which means summer hairstyle time. Well, I don't like summertime that much because it's so sweaty, hot and humid at my side, so I kinda hate that thing. Anyways, I have finished filming some easy and fun summer hairstyles for today's video, which are all about braids. So if you love braiding your hair, keep on watching this video. And with that being said, let's jump into the video now. But before you jump into the video, please be sure to subscribe my channel, click that notification bell icon to get notified on my new posters. Also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below your favorite hairstyle. And let's jump into the video now. So for the first hairstyle, I have tied my hair into two pigtails already, as you can see, and I hope you guys don't mind me for that. Okay, so I'm starting it off with my left hand side pigtail. I'm separating my hair into kind of two equal sections, top and bottom, and then I'm tying the top section with a hair elastic at 2 inches gap, and then making a hole into it and pulling the bottom section hair up through that hole, and then I'm tying that hair with another hair elastic band at 2 inches gap again, and then catching a hole into it again and pulling the bottom section hair up through that hole. And I'm going to be basically continuing this same steps all the way down at some length actually to complete the hairstyle. And don't forget to pinch your base stitches to make them fuller and bubbly. I know everyone know this hairstyle. In case if you don't know, please check the description box below for the full tutorial. And here's our hairstyle is done. Isn't it so pretty and looks so cute? Aha!